Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in exact data, birth time, date, place. These anchor interpretation. Once done, open the natal chart and locate Gemini placements first. Note house placements and ruling planet. Make sure to mark any tight conjunctions and angles. These change emphasis. Start with quick pattern recognition, communication planets, Mercury aspects, and mutable energy. You'll act on clear signals next, so capture keywords and emotional tone. This primes you to see how Gemini frames incoming signs. Now you move into deeper synthesis. Compare transits to natal Gemini points and watch for activating aspects. Timing matters because Mercury shifts fast. Once you've tracked those, weigh context. Houses and rulers tell you domain and motive. Make sure to interpret polarity and modality. Mutable signals show adaptability, while air signs emphasize ideas over feelings. Use transitional phrasing between observations so meaning emerges. Connect aspect quality to likely behavior and decide which threads to prioritize in your reading. Finish by turning patterns into practical advice. Give the current 1 to 3 concrete steps tied to Gemini themes, communication, learning, or short trips. Once done, recheck conflicting signals and reconcile by weight. Stronger aspects or angular placements take priority. If interpretations remain fuzzy, verify the birth time and consider Mercury retrograde or reception issues. Correcting those often clears ambiguity. Finally, offer a short follow-up plan so the querent can test advice and report back for refinement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.